Hey guys, it's Crystal. I know I've been gone for quite a while. Sorry about that. This life. But I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you of two DIYs that I've done recently. And I'm sorry I haven't posted a bunch of DIYs. Give you a little background story. My computer got a freaking virus and I totally forgot that I had pre-recorded DIYs in my laptop, and of course when we reset it I then realized my pre-recorded videos were there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to like redo some of them, which really sucks. And some are pretty much just gone, and I don't think I'll probably redo the DIY. So, anyways, but I wanted to share with you the two recent ones that I've done. And if you guys are interested in seeing them, please keep watching. Thank you. So the materials you're going to need are a board. I got mine from Target, dollar spot for $5, and some lettering I got from the dollar store, and chalk paint. So all I'm doing right now is placing the lettering on the board for what I wanted to say. I saw this one saying at Marshall's and really liked it, so I decided to recreate the same one. So right now I'm just aligning the letters to my liking, and then I'm going to paint over the whole thing with chalk paint. So I'm using the Rust-Oleum chalk paint and a chalk brush and painting over the board and the letters as well. Brush strokes, I'm pretty much going in every direction. With chalk paint you can pretty much get away with painting in any direction. And I'm going to do only 2 coats on this board. It's a really quick project that you can do in probably 15 minutes. After it's done drying, it's time to take off the lettering from the board and distress it. You can distress it to your liking, and then if you would like to put a clear coating, I will list down below the recommendation of what type of polyacrylic or clear coating to use for the chalk paint. I'm not going to do it just because my board is going to stay inside. So I had originally started distressing my board with the 220 grit sandpaper, but it wasn't really doing much, so I switched to a 80 grit and then worked my way up into the 220 just to smooth everything out. And then I just used a cloth to take all the excess paint. And that's pretty much it for the first DIY. On to the next one. I wanted to make a sign for my laundry, so I got a wire basket, another wooden board. I used some E6000 and also leftover lettering for the saying I was going to put. I'm not going to nail anything down, but you sure can nail it if you want to, or maybe use screws, but I wanted to use E6000 for this project instead, just because the board was a little bit thinner. So I didn't want the nail to go through and touch the wall. After placing the lettering down, I played with the basket to see where I wanted it more or less, and used E6000 and hot glue to glue it into place. I also didn't film this part, but I also used a staple gun for the bottom of my wiring so that way everything would stay in place. And that's pretty much it. It's another quick and easy project to do. I pretty much did both projects in 30 minutes. So that's it for the DIYs, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos, for future videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And please, again, bear with me. I will bring more DIY videos in the near future. And yeah, I will see you then. Bye, guys.